Hi, my name is Kirsty Fallis. I am the owner of Dobbins Inn, and we are delighted to have come to the completion of our THI scheme project. Delighted with the final results, and today is a quick thank you to all that were involved, from the council side, from the Heritage Lottery, all the people that were involved in the actual work of it. And we have an open day today so that people can learn about the reasons why we got involved in the project, and look at the final results, and to see that the building is now restored and should be here with its history for another couple of 100 years.
Well, Carrickfergus THI is here really to restore and regenerate the historic buildings in this very important town. It's all about creating a better environment for local people, but also maximising the potential of Carrickfergus as a place that people really want to come and visit with all its fine historic buildings.
Hello, my name is Paul Logue and I'm an archaeologist with the Historic Environment Division in Northern Ireland. I suppose me, like anybody else, would love to stay when I'm on holiday in a castle. Many places call themselves castle, but Dobbins Inn here really is a castle. We know it goes back 600, maybe 700 years, built probably shortly after the larger castle across the road. And it's great. We've got the big massive medieval castle across the road and the smaller one over here. You can come and stay here and stay in a real medieval castle.
So I'm Laura Patrick and I am the Education Officer for the Townscape Heritage Initiative, and we are delighted to be unveiling the Dobbins Inn today and launching the end of the project. It's the third oldest building in the town, dating to 1520 to 1540. Originally it would have been a wee bit different. The windows and doors aren't exactly what they are today, and if you look behind me you can see what a Tower House window would have looked like. Most of the building is made from basalt, the same as Carrickfergus Castle, and then the windows and doorways and the coin stones along the corners of the buildings are formed from a yellow sandstone, which is originally from Kilshaw, so just across the Logue.
My name is Sammy Wilson. I've been the project manager and chief designer in the refurbishment of the Dobbins Inn. It has been a pleasure and a very challenging exercise to carry out on behalf of the Fallis family. We have now brought it to completion through a very arduous and stressful time, but we have the pleasure of saying that all the work was carried out by men from East Antrim. Local men from Carrickfergus in traditional trades, and I think that the finished product speaks to them and speaks volume for the tradesmanship and quality that we have in our own jurisdiction.